Good morning, everyone. So yeah, I'm at my mum's place in Delft, and yeah, this next video, I was just a bit taken aback that the driver was having a FaceTime call, and even though the phone was mounted on the dash, so yeah, I did report it, and unfortunately the police came back with not sufficient evidence, which I believe is a mistake. I mean, they're right in that there's not enough evidence for a phone use charge, but there is enough evidence for TV/cinematographic apparatus in view of the driver. So that's a much more minor offence. It's like £50 and fine and no penalty points. I'm just a bit surprised the Met didn't charge for that. But yeah, I mean, really, what kind of driver thinks it's okay to have a FaceTime call going whilst you're driving? Crazy, huh? Anyway, have a good one. Bye.
TV screen in view of the driver, that's an offence, you know that? Sorry? TV screen in view of the driver is an offence, did you know that? Should you be watching a program? You're calling your wife? Maybe she recognised my voice.
Hey! No!
Yes.
No, bro!
Yeah, but that's bad, man.
Yeah! Oh, no! Now, when you said that maybe she recognised my voice.
Yes.
Yeah,
We can be anywhere.
Not anywhere, but it's a great job.
Well, thank you.
It's really...
It's just a bit of stuff I do in my spare time. I'm coming back from my work now.
And to be honest...
I don't think I bother reporting that because you weren't holding it.
No, it's
So
not...
at worst, TV screen in view of a driver is like £50, so
yeah.
I don't think I'm going to bother.
You're doing fine, but you see,
Thank you.
The thing is that you get stuck in this madness of life, and then you forget the real important stuff.
No problem, mate. I hope you do better in future. Have a nice evening.
Bro, it's amazing. Take care.
Thank you. I wish it'd be more amazing if you weren't on your phone.